Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets. First we are using green color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing green color. The alphabet of A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Now we mixing green color and the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. Green color. The alphabet of E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for gorilla. Kids, now we are using the color of red. Now we mixing red color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we coloring H. The next one is I. I for ice cream. And the next one is J. Now we coloring K. And the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mangoes. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is O. And the next one is P. P for parrot. The next one is Q. Now we draw R. And the next one is S. Now we draw T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. The alphabet of V. The next one is W. The next one is X. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk, and the last one is Z. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.